Ooh, hey y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another YouTube video, and I'm really feeling this look. I'm really thinking like this is the way I want to do my looks now. Like, I just want it to be like literally any colors just came together and like it's lit. Like, I don't want it to be like planned out, like, oh, do these colors go together? Do these do that? Like, I'm trying to catch attention. I'm trying to get a couple eyes to see like what I'm doing. Like, come to my corner of YouTube, have a seat, get something to eat, cause you're about to be entertained. Like, that's how I want to be. So that's how I'm about to do. Like, everything else that has anything to do with my channel is gonna be out of the box, you know, unless it's like, unless somebody want me to do like a natural look, or like if y'all go in the comments and y'all ask me for certain stuff, like I'll do it. But for the purposes of myself getting noticed, I'm gonna do things like this because I feel as though like this is something that will catch an eye rather than, you know, like the other video that I put in. Now, not to say that my other video wasn't good, because it was great, I loved it, but I just feel like it was a little bit mediocre. And I was up at 2 a.m. thinking about this. Like, I just feel like I can do so much more. Like, it's so much more creativity that I have inside this big brain right here. And I just feel like I need to tap into it because it's really a lot of stuff that I'm really not touching on. Like, it's really a lot of part of my brains that how many you got? Parts in my brain that I'm really not really, you know, thinking like, oh, how can I make this my own? Like, especially when I see other people on Instagram like literally killing it, like literally killing it. Oh, I feel that I'm capable of the same level, if not higher. So I'm holding myself to a higher standard, and I'm really like, I'm getting hype. I'm really getting hype. I finally took my twist out, and this is how I'm gonna be rocking for I don't know how long. I'm about to show y'all this look, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's just get with it. Let's just get with it.
Everywhere I go, I'm always hearing your name. And no matter where I'm at, girl, you make me wanna sing. Whether a bus or a plane, or a car or a train, no other girls on my brain. And you don't wanna be for girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you. You feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On the carousel, somewhere around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. There's so much nonsense, it's on my conscience. I'm thinking, baby, I should get it out. And I don't want to sound redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that you want to know. We should let it go. We don't want to be a TV episode. And all the bad thoughts, just let it go. Hands down, there will never be another one. I've been around and I've never seen another one. Because your style ain't really got nothing on. Nothing. And you out when you ain't got nothing on. Maybe you the whole package, cause you pay your tax on. And you keep it real while the mothers ain't plastic. You're my Wonder Woman, call me Mr. Fantastic. Stop. Now think about it. It's a London, I've been to Paris. Yeah, right up there in Tokyo. Going down in Georgia. Yeah, to New Orleans. Yeah, but you always still the show. And just like that, girl, you got me froze. Like a Nintendo 64. If you never know, well, now you know. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. They might say hi, and could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you.
So I got this palette for Christmas and I'm so super hyped because like I never have like the newest makeup that's coming out and stuff. So I'm so super hyped that I caught onto this because I was just gonna order Morphe 3502. But then I saw this and I was like, you know what? Let me get this first. And then I'm gonna put 3502 on hold real quick because that palette, that's a must have as well. But I got this 39A Dare to Create Morphe palette and I'm so hyped to use it. That's all I want to say. Now Morphe better stop playing with me because look at this. Look at this. With all the color that this palette is giving me, I'm literally about to start bawling my eyes out because literally like, and then the fact that it's my favorite color. Like, oh my gosh, I'm really about to cry, y'all. Seriously, this joint is lit. It's lit out here. Stop playing. It's really lit. Like,
beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry. Everywhere I go, I'm always hearing your name. And no matter where I'm at, girl, you make me wanna sing.
this is what I got for this eye for right now. If I make any changes, y'all see in the next few edits, but I really think I'm finna leave it like this. I'm really rocking with it. If you're rocking with it, like this video now to show me that you're rocking with it. I'm about to do the other eye and I'm gonna see y'all in like 2 seconds.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you tryna leave? You miss. I see the dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it. Just 1, 2 step. 1, 2 step. Now, with the music, it's moving too fast. Grab my hand and look. just start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Tryna leave. Oh. I would love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed what I've done here today in my video, and if you did, I would really love you to like my video, subscribe if you haven't already. Also peep that little bell. That's where YouTube is going to let you know when I've uploaded, and I really want y'all to click it, because I mean, like, you're not going to know if I uploaded unless like I tell you, and if I don't tell you, like, how are you gonna know? So press that little, I really gotta stop clapping my tongue. Press that little bell that's right near the subscribe button, which is right near the like button. Like, all these buttons are in the same spot, so if you just hit bam bam bam, that's so easy, right? I know, so that's why you should do it. So as always, I would like to thank everybody that's viewing me right now, because I just started back up and I'm really feeling this. Like, I'm really feeling it in my heart, and I really want to continue to have the perseverance to continue to go. And also I have to give a thanks to him, because he gives me all the inspiration, and you know, everything that I do is based around my Lord and Savior. So my camera had died, but I really wanted to give a shout out to Kay and Kosh, because they have inspired me to like step out of the box and like actually create, rather than, you know, sticking to the norms. So shout out to them, and shout out to y'all who watch me, because y'all are lit, that y'all support me at this stage in the game. I'm like still a new YouTuber. I don't even have 1,000, you know, subscribers yet, but I feel like I do, and that's the point that I'm trying to make here, is that y'all are already starting to make me feel as though what I'm doing is really like entertaining y'all, and it's really like something that y'all want to see and always want to see. So I'm about to be out of here. I'm gonna hit y'all love next time I do the next video. Y'all will see me then, and see ya.
You know, young rich niggas, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrop, drop top, smoking no coke in the hot box. Fucking your bitch, yeah. Fucking the back in the car. Okay, from the nigga. I don't trust nobody with the trick fight. All up the gang and they can make it gang. Call me your keeper, give you a tissue. Bad and big. Cooking up with a pussy. My niggas are savage. We got better than 100 rounds too. Bad and big. Cooking up with a pussy. My niggas are savage. We got better than 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got records on backers, I'm running around in the cool. I take your girl from you, bitch, I'm a move.
Wear these parts.
Why not?
Cause that's when it start getting all difficult, when you put the titles on there.
I'm flying first class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane, but I won't change by the glamorous. Ooh, Gianna, na. So crazy. They always say lean on me, tell me to me, call me space.
Hey sis.
Look here, sis.
What?
I'm struggling right now. And you've done this before, so you can't help me. I'm gonna come to your house and I'm gonna stab you. And I'm shutting it all down.
First of all, I just got that recorded. So let's start with that you just threatened my life. So now it's on YouTube for everybody to hear. Keep going.
I don't care. Everybody gonna die.
Ooh, everybody. Why I don't get to live?
Yeah, my diamonds are choking. Holding up for your holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler.